Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope again, I'm hoping for more subscribers, man. If you guys can help me set things up, it would be muchos gracias. Baie dankie asseblief, please guys. Smash the subscribe button. Any case, you can see we've got a new toy behind me. Here's what happened. first time we're using our lift. Swipe. Fire in a hole. Gooi hom. Our own lift car going up. Hehehe, guys, we're making progress here. Shuaib hiding away there behind the post. Gooi hom. Of wil jy hom nie te hoog hê nie? Hy druk hierdie rubber lekker, maar dis hoekom maar rubber is, dat hy hom properly kan druk. Dis wat ek skiem.
Hy clear hier. No touchy. Het is nog lig.
Wel, dat kan nog steeds nie 'n kar onder hom pas, né?
Nie nou, maar as hy hom lig moet dan moet.
Die kar kan pas.
Hy kan nog gaan.
Ja, maar hy is hoog. Hy kan nog gaan, hy is reg. Maar hy hoef nie. It doesn't have to go higher than that. But now it can work. So you're gonna get this ready for in 2 weeks' time. Remember, we've got that rally coming up on the 23rd of October.
Yeah, we got our work cut out for us now, to get this one ready if you want to attend that rally. Huh?
We're gonna get it right.
What the fuck?
Reduce brake effort, start engine. Oh my god. What the fuck is wrong with this car now? Going haywire. Shooting guys. It's making some battery noises, but it is on charge. I'll worry about it tomorrow. I don't know, it's got many faults. So when we went to fit the exhaust, we were introduced, or I met somebody. I met a gentleman that's quite into these old cars, and he invited us to a rally that is happening in next weekend, 23 October, the Oil Rag Run in Cape Town. Guys, come see what's happening on that day. We're driving from Cape Town. I'm not sure about the route, but we're heading to Chapman's Peak and then we're ending in Hart Bay. So we need to get the car a little bit more ready. It's about, I don't know, more than 50 kilometers. I must still go measure it. I must still go measure it. My bad. But yeah, so this is what we are doing to the car at the moment. Getting it ready for that run. It is now 3 in the morning. I just ended work. Thumbs up, enjoy. So we fitted the new, what's it? Oil filter. When we opened it, there was nothing there. Surprise, surprise. So we bought a new filter from the local spare shop. We bought a couple.
It's a mark pass.
We bought a couple and we picked the one that fits the best. So it's a 2020.
2018 is the date of the filter, manufacturing date.
Yeah, but it's okay.
So we've bought a brand new old filter from a spare shop.
A brand new old filter, okay. But do we know for what car it was?
No, it's not for a car. It's for. I took it out of the catalog.
So
just by size in it.
So it could be for a generator.
No, it's a truck. If I'm not mistaken, it's for a diesel engine.
It's for a diesel truck.
Yeah, I can't remember which one.
So exactly. We'll see if it works. It should work.
Hou gou die phone nie en dan gaan ek gou die span haal.
You're gonna be able to get it out without dropping the. It looks like it, maybe. And there's no play on there.
But obviously DS must know need
Hey, 40-year-old gearbox oil. I'm impressed there's oil in there. It still looks golden, my man. Or is it more brown?
That is baie min. It's supposed to be engine oil.
Okay. Are we putting back engine oil or are we putting back gearbox oil?
No, we can't. We have to go with the specifications on this one.
Did you find the place where to put it back in?
Well, it looks like I'm going to remove the top cover in order to get the oil in. I don't see any side covers. They give you a indication of how much oil it needs to have. So I'll basically just go on that. Hi, we are looking for the gearbox oil filler. I finally figured it out, guys. That is the gearbox oil filler. Dipstick.
We replaced engine oil. We put a filter in there. We found there was no filter. I don't know if I've told you, That was quite shocking. We found a filter that matched. We drained the gearbox oil. We need to drop the car to put that in. And we've done the diff oil. New oil, old oil, almost nothing in, you can't really see. But we're filling it up and hopefully she will sound a bit quieter. So here's the tappet cover off now. Well, how's the valves look? How's the gaps and all of that stuff look like? So I don't know if you guys can hear that, but listen how smooth she sounds. That's now after the oil change. She sounds beautiful. Rev hom weer. The condensation coming out that pipe. Wow. Can't believe.